Welcome to Northstar Kia, your most trusted new and pre-owned automotive dealership located at 46-05 Northern Boulevard, Queens. This used 2020 Acura Rdx with A-Spec package, featuring a majestic black pearl exterior and complemented by a stunning red interior, is a truly captivating choice. With 36,000 miles on the odometer, it combines low mileage with exceptional style. This RDX adds sporty enhancements, including unique exterior accents and interior details. With its powerful performance, advanced safety features, and luxurious amenities, this Acura Rdx offers a dynamic and upscale driving experience that stands out on the road. Come by Northstar and enjoy a relaxed test drive experience. Our friendly staff is here to assist you in finding the perfect vehicle that suits you. Unlocking possibilities, delivering quality, only at Northstar Kia, your premier destination for new and used cars.